August 24th. Here's what moved. Ox Alpha just took number 1 on OpenRouter. $0.000 per million tokens. DeepSeek V4 Flash 0731 drops to second. PostHog is trending on GitHub. 293 stars today. Ripienaar /free4dev is trending on GitHub. 615 stars today. Codeium.codeium downloads down 67% this week. Claude Code is degraded per the vendor's status page. vllm/vllm-openai on Docker, down 16%. nautechsystems /nautilus_trader is trending on GitHub. 174 stars today. New research, OmniAssistBench, assistant-style interaction benchmark for Omni-LLMs. GitHub.copilot on vscode, downloads down 31%. AI on NPM, downloads up 25%. That's the briefing. Every number links to its source. gawk.dev.